Everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be talking about app bars. So how to use app bar in Flutter. So for this I have created here app bar. This is the default one. Here you can see inside a scaffold there is app bar, and this is the background color, and you can set title. So basically, what is app bar? App bar is mostly used inside scaffold, but it is not mandatory to use, and app bar is placed on the top of the screen, so it is not mandatory. You can skip if you don't want app bar inside your application. So this one is the default one. So you can do couple of things, like you can add title with the help of this text, and right now this is like push towards the left side. So if you want your title to be center, then you will have to use center title. True, by default it now my title is in the center. So you can also change the background color with the help of this. Again, you can add icons. Suppose if you want to add icon towards the left side of the app bar, then you will have to use leading. And what kind of thing it will take? It will take widget. So you can use image widget or anything else, but now I'm using icon for showing the icons, like icons dot wallet. Let me show you. Here it is. You can change the property like color, size according to your requirement. So let's move forward. You can also use asset image here, like let me show you. Image dot assets and the string. For now I'm using assets dot this boot png. Assets png. I'll save this. Here is the, so basically it is image, previously it was icon. So you can handle this. You can for some profile picture showing on the app bar, you can wrap this inside circle avatar, or you can clip or rect, so you can provide circle effect. Now let's move forward. You can use foreground color for changing the elements which are on the app bar. So for now I'm using colors dot orange. Let me do it deep orange. I know that it will not look good, but for showing purpose I can use it. There it is. I have taken image, that is why the color of this image is not changing. Let me change it to icons dot, let me use account balance icon like bank or something else. Here it is. So at once you can change the foreground color of the elements which are available on the app bar. You can also handle the leading width, like leading width. For now I'll provide like 100, so it is taking some space from the left side. And you can perform several actions while on tapping of the icons which are present in the app bar. So for that, what you will do, like actions, it will take array of actions, and inside this icon button, on press and icon, these are the default properties that you will have to use. So now I'm using only 2 icons. You can customize it according to your requirement, obviously, and I will put the whole code on GitHub and will share the link with you. You can check my description box for that. I icons dot, like, let me add here cart, this one. No, actually I will have to provide proper widget here. Icons, here again it is asking for the widget, so you can provide any kind of widget like image or icons, or inside container if you want to give some shadow you can apply that. So I'm adding here icon, inside that I'm adding icons dot cart, this one, and again let me copy this, and I'll change this icon to person, I think, yes. And whenever we will tap on this, we will have some different text print in our console. So what I'm doing, I'm typing here cart is pressed, okay, and inside this I will type like, okay, so let me run this and let me open the console, and here are the two options, and I'm going to tap on the cart first. Here is cart is pressed, and another one is profile is pressed. So whenever we will tap on the particular icon, we are moving inside this on tap functionality. You can add your functionality here. So let's move forward now. So toolbar height you can also manage. So for this you will have to use toolbar height, and for now by default it is 56, and let me do it to 80. It will ask for double value. Let me increase the value. Now the size of the app bar has increased, and let's move forward. Toolbar opacity you can also handle. Toolbar opacity is used to set the opacity and the transparency of the app bar items like leading icon, title, and all these two icons. So let me handle this toolbar opacity. So by default it is 1, and I am making it to 0.5. Let me save this. As you can see, the opacity of this is half now, and let me revert this. And one more thing you can do, title spacing. With the help of title spacing you can manage the space between title and the icons which are present on the app bar. So title spacing, by default we provide some smaller value. Here it is. So there is already a space, so let me make this text shorter, and let me save this app bar. So basically it will provide space between icon and the title which is available. So I'm going to remove all these things. We save this, and for handling the transparency of this app bar you can use like force material transparency. So for this I'm using force material transparency. By default it is false, so I will make it true. Let's see what happens. App bar disappears, so you can handle the transparency of app bar from here. Let me run this once again. You can manage title text style with the help of this property, title text style. However, you can manage all the things like color of the text, font size, font weight, and font style. You can manage each and everything. Let me run this. Here it is. it is converted into bold, and also we have used foreground color orange, but now when I'm changing the text color to blue, it is adopted blue color. So it gives preference to this particular text style, title style color more than this foreground color. So it has changed. And also you can manage elevation for providing shadow bottom this app bar. So for this I'll be using elevation 50. There is some shadow appears, so you can handle this. I think it is too much. Let me do it to 20. Now it looks good. You can also handle the color of the shadow with the help of shadow color. So again you can provide colors dot. Let me provide this red color, and you will see the color is changed. This is the shadow color. You can change theme of the icon with the help of icon theme data. Basically icon theme. So there are several properties like color, size, so you can manage it like this. So for now color is amber, icon color, and size is 40 and weight is 500. Let me save this. So properties of all the icon present in the app bar has changed at once. If you want to provide background color as gradient color, then you can also provide that. Let's move towards this background color, and inside this I have to use this like flexible span, and I'm taking here container. And as you know, container has a property of decoration, box decoration, and here I'm using gradient, linear gradient, and begin animation will be from top center, bottom center. I will make changes with this and will show you how the gradient changes. So for now I'm using black and blue color. Let me save this. Here it is. This one is the black and this blue. So let me change it to red so that you can see what is happening here. So here the color has changed. Let me change this top center to something center left, and this one is to center right. So let me save this. That is why these two colors are separated. Red is coming from the left and blue is coming from the right. So you can handle gradient color like this. I will put the code on GitHub and will share the link with you. And for this video, that's it. And if you have enjoyed the video, then please subscribe to the channel. So for this and more, hope to see you next time in the next video. Bye for now.